My name is Peter Tordi Costello, Barangay Liberty, Palumpon, Leyte, 25 years of age, Power Plant 2F. The first question is, should divorce law be legalized in the Philippines? For me, it's a yes. Divorce law can be legalized in the Philippines because it is the legal way to separate a married man and a woman, to separate them from a toxic, abusive, irreparable relationship. By this, it will prevent them to, physically hurting each other. Although it has a negative impact to the child, but when the time comes that the child knows what is right and what is wrong, their child can understand their situation. Second question, one of your parent is suffering from stage 4 cancer and will eventually die in few days time. The patient experience extreme and excruciating pain every time the cancer attacks. Will you give your consent to end the patient's life or not and prolong the pain and agony suffered? Explain. For me, my answer is no, because I don't want to end my parents' life in my own hand or in my own decision. Because who am I? Who am I without them? I am nothing. They gave me life, they raised me. But when my parent tells me that they cannot handle the pain anymore or they want to rest and relieve the pain, I should do it for their own sake and not and I will do it because I want them not to suffer anymore, because it is their decision, it's their will to give their life to God. Although it's very hard to accept that you've lost someone that you love, especially your family, like your parents, but we need to accept it because it happens for a reason, and also it is God's will to make it happen.